were certainly early indications that an indictment would come down against the Congresswoman. Former Assistant U.S. Attorney Curtis Fallgetter is representing witnesses who testified before the grand jury. I know that he's joining us here, as well as Rhonda Peoples-Waters.
And he says he made it clear that the witnesses realized this was a long time in coming. Let's get some perspective on the case. First, 24-count indictment. Of all those charges, which appears to be the most serious?
You know, they're in two different categories. You've got the tax charges and you've got the mail fraud. The mail fraud, of course, involves a one-door situation, and the government's burden there is to prove that she knew that it wasn't a legitimate charity. They've added in the fact that she got money herself. The question is, did she get that as a spokesperson, or was it part of the fraud? So that'll be an issue. The tax cases are, did she not report income, and did she make charitable contributions that were not made? So they're both serious, I think equally so.
So if, down the road here, if for some reason she is convicted on these, what does she face, Rhonda?
You know, what I would tell you is it looks like she's facing quite a bit of prison time, especially when you're looking at the conspiracy charges. And I think that that is the most concerning, because it looks like much of the direct evidence relates to the co-conspirators or person A and the other persons involved. But the conspiracy charge is certainly concerning because of, for example, the money that was taken and deposited directly into Congresswoman Brown's account. Those are very concerning.
As you're talking about the fact that she could face some considerable time, and keep in mind, she's 69 years old. Don't know how long this trial process is going to take. Let's go through the arraignment process. She's going to go before the judge. The judge will read all the charges against her, ask if she understands them. Likely she'll enter a plea today?
The arraignment is precisely what you say, plus coupled with what is the plea. She'll enter a plea of not guilty. The judge will then set up for various pretrial matters, discovery deadlines, motion deadlines, and she'll get a trial date today.
Will she be arrested?
Well,
I mean, I don't know if it was a warrant to appear or a warrant to arrest.
Notice to appear,
Notice to appear for the federal marshal's office, but could she be placed in prison today?
Not likely, because they've known about the investigation forever. She'll get conditions of release. She'll be released presumably on her own recognizance. It's likely, as your reporter noted, that she showed up at the marshals to get booked and processed and then go on up to court. So they may well have issued a warrant for arrest, but they presumably would allow her to be released today.
And they obviously don't see her as a flight risk.
Of course not.
And considering this also, and considering this federal charges, I mean, we know in federal court, I mean, if this started in 2012, kind of walk us through this process a little bit, Rhonda. I mean, this is copious amounts of information that must have been presented to the grand jury.
Absolutely. I would expect that. We know that the grand jury has been meeting now for months, and they've been presenting some of this evidence to them, which I'm sure will be explained and given to many of us and to Congresswoman Brown through this process. But these are bank records, these are tax records, all of those specific details. Now she and her attorney will have to definitely look through to build their defense. So I expect that this will be, you know, not something that comes to a resolution pretty soon.
And is this a process that's going to be fairly lengthy?
She'll get a trial date today. It'll probably be about 70 days out. It'll never be tried in 70 days. Far too complicated. It could be a year or more before the case gets tried. A lot, as Ms. Peoples notes, there's a lot of discovery there, a lot of material, a lot of witnesses. So it'd be unlikely that we would see a trial before sometime next year, probably.
And then when the actual trial happens, are we talking about 30 days, 60 days?
Given the amount of detail here, I would say it's a 2 to 3 week trial, probably.
Curtis, as a former prosecutor, of course, 17 years, and now on the other side as a defense attorney, what would be your defense as an example, you know, to these charges? What do you think's the biggest, you know, is it, hey, I didn't know anything about it, no, the money never went into my account, somebody else put it in there, it wasn't me?
Probably not the latter, but on the charity aspect, yes, I didn't know that they're not doing what they said they would do. I thought I was helping a worthwhile organization. And yes, they paid me some money as a spokesperson. People do that. Charities do that. You'll have to justify that. On the tax angle, did she make those as contributions or not? You know, and presumably there's proof one way or the other on that. If not, are there innocent explanations? That's what I'd look for.
Curtis, yeah, thank you both very much for joining us. Do appreciate your insight. I know that we'll be talking to you throughout the day.